it's Dennis Steinman with PlainsCraft Wagons again. I'm here in the shop where we build the wagons, and I want to talk to you a little bit about lumber. We use lumber that is grown in the Northwest. Pretty much the whole wagon is made of lumber that is cut and kiln dried and then molded into tongue and groove lumber. I want to talk a little bit about the fact, and maybe some of you know, but today lumber is expensive because of COVID and because of the fires in the West. There has been a run on wood. If you go to your local Home Depot or Menards or some other local department's big hardware store, you'll find that some of the shelves are empty. There are so many people staying home and dreaming up projects, and they're going to these places and buying all this lumber. So this lumber, however, we've been in business, we have good resources and good relationships with our suppliers, but the price of lumber has gone up significantly. In some cases, almost doubled. So we continue to get a good supply. We insist on the best lumber there is. So our wagons are made straight and true, and they're gonna last a long, long time. But if you need to buy a lot of lumber and you can put it off maybe till next year, it might be a good idea. No one quite knows how long this is gonna last, but it is reality. Again, it's caused by COVID and all the small projects that have been being done, and also the fires. In some cases, the sawmills have been shut down because of the smoke. So it has had an effect on the lumber supply in this country. So I thought I'd just share that with you. It's interesting, and it's a fact that we deal with here because we buy a lot of lumber. Until next time, this is Dennis Steinman saying, see you down the trail.